In this video, just we'll know the process how to take the hosting. So as already I have told that hosting is very important part for making your website live over the internet, and without hosting you can't show your website or you can't make your website live. Okay. So again, so as we did like search for the service provider domain service provider, in the same manner here we'll be searching for the hosting service provider, and by default those who provides the domain, so by default they do also provide the hosting as well. Some local companies are also there, so they also keep providing hosting services as well. So here simply you can search for web hosting service provider, or if you are looking the particular location like Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, so like that keyword you can take web hosting service provider in Mumbai, in Bangalore, in Delhi. So once again, this is the promotion coming on, and here you will be able to see the number of leads list as well. Okay, so what we'll do, just we'll go any of the website and we'll be checking the hosting as well. So for here again we'll be coming on GoDaddy, and here just you can see the hosting option. Okay, so once we'll click on this, that panel will open, and here you can see number of hosting as well. So here web hosting, WordPress hosting, business hosting. So web hosting if you want to take, so minimum 100 rupees, 100 rupees it is showing for per month. So it is up to you, and in the same manner like for domain you were doing renewal for every year. Again for the web hosting every year you have to do renewal over here, right? So here just you can see it's a budget friendly shared hosting. So normally it is a part of shared hosting. So here that shared hosting you can take in the minimum price, and you can host only one website. Okay, and WordPress hosting, so nothing you have to do over here. So once you will be taking it, so by default WordPress integration it will be coming to you, and by default it will be WordPress software, it will be installed at the backend part. Okay, but if you'll go for the business hosting and reseller hosting, so there are different categories. Business hosting, that means if you are running an agency, and under one hosting if you want to manage multiple websites, so yes, you can go for this one. So under one hosting it depends, you can manage 5 website, 10 website, 50 websites, so it is up to you. Then again reseller hosting. So reseller hosting, that means if you want to resell the space which you have taken to the other people, so certainly you can take it. And VPS hosting and dedicated hosting, as already I told, this is a very costly as well. So it depends. And if we'll come on the other side, so yes, again here just we can see web hosting here as well. So if we'll be clicking on this one, so these are the local service providers. So the price we can see like per year, that means somewhere 900, 1800, 4000, and here just you can check the space as well. Meanwhile, if you'll be coming to the different like Blue Rock, so here again you can see Linux hosting, Windows hostings. So it is up to you. So already I told that Linux hosting is the user friendly, and easily we can understand the panel of it as well. So here again we can see within 100 rupees it is starting. Yeah, here you can see, so within 100 rupees for per month it is starting. So you can select, and here it is also mentioned host one website, so only you can host one website over here. Then the multiple options will be there. Here you can integrate 5 business mail as well. And if you'll select this plan 179 per month, so here you will be getting SSL certificate. So SSL certificates is nothing, it's the security for your website. So like here just we can see the log image is coming, so that means this website is totally secure. So once you'll purchase this hosting, so for that website which you want to integrate over here, For that one, they will be providing you complete protection for the 1 year and free net domain for 1 year. And here you can see, yeah, separately you don't need to purchase a domain, but if you want to take the domain, so with .NET extension totally free you can get it. Okay, and you can also take the professional mail, and if you'll come on the pro version, so yes, here you can host unlimited websites. So if you are working on the multiple sites, or if you're agency based company, so yes, you can select this plan as well. And here cloud hosting, again here just you can see the pricing, and again here just you can take the unlimited website. So like that way, just you can take, and according to you, you have to select the plan. Again, you have to create an account. So after creating an account, once you purchase this one, so you will be having control panel access. So under control panel, just you can see the multiple options, and from there just you can add on your domain and you can host your website. So here just I am showing you the control panel login. So after purchasing your web hosting, the separate dashboard you will be getting, so you can access by using username and password. So this hosting is has been taken from the Bluehost. It's a hosting company as well. And here just you can see the option my site marketplace. But for accessing the actual control panel, here you can come on the advanced, and just you will be able to see actual control panel login. So from whatever the platform you are purchasing hosting, this dashboard will be the same for each and every company and for each and every service provider. So just you can see file manager, images, and all these things you will be getting over here. So just you can check it on, and from here once you will come, and if you are operating WordPress hosting, sorry, if you are operating WordPress website, so for that one you have to come under Softaculous app installer. So just you can click on that part, and after that here WordPress integration just you can see, and simply what you have to do, you have to click on install. So after installing that one, that WordPress software will be installed for your website. So like that way you can do. So all your website data, it is stored under the server as well. And actually here the developer works. Here you don't need to do anything. But if you have coding knowledge and if you have the technical skills, so yes, certainly just you can check on this server. Okay. So before installing your WordPress software, so simply you can, I mean, add your domain name. So for that one, just under the domain or somewhere you'll be able to see the option add domain. Okay. So once you click on that one, here the option you will be getting like add domain. So once you click on this one, so there just you can copy and paste the domain name, and simply you have to save it. So like that way it will be integrated in the hosting one, and simply you after installing the WordPress you can operate your website.